Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Corey. Today on Cooking with Corey, we're going to do a sweet treat. Valentine's Day is coming up, so no better time than now to do the Nooky Brownie. Coming up next here on Cooking with Corey. Alright people, so today our ingredients is as follows. Use your favorite, if you want to use a brownie mix out of a box, go ahead. It's my favorite brownie mix. I use this Nestle, and it's got a recipe on the side here. That's what I usually use. But you can use anything you want as far as a brownie mix goes. Heavy whipping cream, sweet condensed milk, some milk chocolate toffee bits, butter, some good old marshmallow cream, why not? Peanut butter, caramel, strawberries, we got some eggs, we got sugar, we got flour, we got baking soda, we got everything we need to make brownies and deliciousness. So let's get started next. Alright everybody, we got our brownie mixture going on here. And I'll just go over the recipe that's on the back of this Nestle thing with you quick. What we got in this is we got our dry and our wet. So over here we got a flour, which is a 1 1/3 cups of flour. Cocoa, which is 3/4 of a cup of the cocoa. A half a teaspoon of baking powder and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Over here in the other one we got going on, we got 1 2/3 cups of granulated sugar, 3/4 of a cup of, or 1 1/2 sticks of butter, margarine melted, 2 tablespoons of water, 2 large eggs, and vanilla extract. So what's going to happen next is I'm going to beat these into here like so. I'm going to add my dry into my wet, and then we're going to put this in the 350 degree oven, 25 to 35 minutes to your doneness of how you like brownies. And like I said, you can use a box brownie or your favorite brownie recipe, but you want, this is my favorite brownie recipe, this is what I'm doing, so this is what I'm going to use. Hey, I'll bring you back when I pour it in the 13 by 9. Okay guys, here we go. We're going to go in the oven with our brownie mixture, 350, 25-30 minutes. Alright guys, what I got going on here is equal parts of the good old marshmallow cream and peanut butter, and we're just going to fold those together. Like so. We're going to bring that together. That's going to be one of the toppings on our brownie. We'll be back. Alright, cut up a few strawberries for our whipped cream, because we're going to throw these in our whipped cream. So we'll have strawberry whipped cream. So that's what I'm up to right now. We'll show you that whipped cream when we get to it. Brownies are about done. Alright everybody, we're going to make some whipped cream now. I've taken this, thrown it in the freezer, taken my whisk right here, it's been in the freezer. We're going to add whipping cream to this. Heavy whipping cream, 1 pint. Put her down, lock her, and we're just going to get this going. And we're just going to try to get some body in this, then we're going to add some stuff to it. We'll get to that point, I'll bring you guys back. Alright guys, we got it going on high here. Working that cream, building it up. in our KitchenAid. What we're going to do next, back that off, unlock it, pull it back. I'm going to add a little bit of powdered sugar to this right now. And a little bit of vanilla extract to that, and the strawberries I worked on. So we're making strawberry whipped cream. It's about time to get those strawberries whipped into there. Get that strawberry flavor through there. Back down, lock it. Start out slow, or you're going to get a bath in powdered sugar. Then bring her back up. We'll be back when it gets closer. All right, guys, you can see our cream starting to come together. Get whipped creamy. Doesn't take long, a minute or two. Turn it up here. Pretty close now. We can just set it down. Lock it. See where we're at as far as pretty close. I'd say we're there. Let's get a little bigger taste test. It's really good. I will add just a little more powdered sugar to the mix. We're going to bring it together. It'll be ready, and then we're ready to dress our better than Nooky brownies. We'll be back. Alright, guys, we're going to dress it. First thing you want to do, you can with a spoon or anything. Poke some holes all over in it. Like so. Alright. Take your sweet condensed milk. Good stuff. That goes everywhere. Try to get that in the nooks, crannies, around in the holes. Don't forget your sides there. Nice layer. Alright, beautiful. Next up is your milk chocolate toffee bits. All over the place on the top. Just get them in there. Nice layer. Alright, that is beautiful. Next layer is our peanut butter and marshmallow cream mixture we made, half and half. So just lay it right in the middle, like so. And just spread that around to where it's evenly coating everything. So we got peanut butter in here, we got marshmallow in here, we got Heath in here, we got sweetened condensed milk. Got a lot of stuff going on in here. So get that all around there. Like so. So it's covered everything. Looks good. Got good coverage. Your Heath's going to start melting with that a little bit. Melting. Alright. Next layer that I like to do here is a caramel. You can make your own caramel. I did it today. I was just using this. So give it a nice layer of that. Alright, that's so good. So our curveball is going to be a banana. I thought, you know what? I got some around here. They're getting ripe. Let's add some of these to the mix. Why not, right? It's better than Nooky Brownies. Alright, I'm going to add these. I'll bring you back. Alright, we got our layer of bananas on here. Another extra layer of flavor. I do got whipped cream to put on next. So we worked hard on our strawberry whipped cream. But first, let's do one other thing. You got some more of these Heath pieces left. Let's add a little bit more on those. Another layer on that. Like so. Alright, beautiful. And next up, our whipped cream. So let's get her on there. Get her mashed around on there like so. And our better than Nooky brownies are just about done. Let's get all we can on there of that whipped cream. That's 1 pint. Powdered sugar, vanilla, strawberry slices. Get covered up. You gotta get that covered up. You gotta get the bananas covered up so they don't start turning on you. Alright, guys. For the final hurrah of this, a little bit more of our caramel sauce. You can definitely make your own. Thought I'd make the video too long if we did that. Here we go. I'd like to thank you for coming to Cooking with Corey. We're going to give this a taste test next. We'll see if we can get Jen to eat some. We'll see you next.
Alright, Corey said he wanted me to try this better than Nooky Brownie, and so that's what I'm going to do. So here we go. Here's a little piece. Well, it's basically just a little piece of banana, so I don't think that was a very representative sample. Let me take another piece. Here we go. There's a lot going on. We got chocolatey, crispy brownie, peanut butter, creamy, bananas, strawberries, caramel. Oh my gosh. It's a very complex brownie, so I'm gonna continue to sit here and eat it, and hopefully Corey's not gonna continue filming me, but I'm just here to tell you it's delicious. So thank goodness for Cooking with Corey. Like, share, and subscribe. I love it. Thank you.